Stop scrolling. If money keeps leaving your life faster than it enters, this video is for you. And before we go any further, subscribe to this channel because every video here is built to make you think, earn smarter, and level up your financial life. Everyone wants money, but almost nobody wants the discipline that comes with it. Money doesn't come to people who want it. It comes to people who respect it. If you spend every dollar the moment you get it, you're telling money you can't be trusted with more. But when you control small amounts, you prepare yourself for bigger opportunities. Wealth isn't luck. It's habits, repeated daily. While others are scrolling, you're learning. While others are complaining, you're building skills. While others wait for the perfect moment, you're creating discipline now. You don't need to be rich to start. You need to start to become rich. Track your money. Save something, no matter how small. Invest in yourself, your skills, your mindset, your future. Because your income only grows to the level your mind can handle. Fast money creates weak habits. Patient money builds freedom. You don't need to impress people. You need to protect your future. Every smart decision today is a vote for the life you want tomorrow. Stay focused. Stay consistent. Money is a tool. Discipline is the key. And your future is watching what you do next. Now go earn it.